What's up, beautiful people? So yeah, welcome back to today's video. It is Saturday, the 13th of April 2019, and it's a very exciting video today. So I am going out of the country for my first international trip ever. I have never been out of the country since I was a little girl, and this is my first time at 27 years old that I, Linda Naliaka Baraza, will be leaving Kenya to travel the world. Well, really not really travel the world, but yes, I'm going to a country and then I'll be going through another country, so kind of like I'll be going through several different countries, and that makes me really excited. So we started planning this trip since like a month ago, and it's a trip that I'm going to go with my mom. And I remember us just seated, my mom was seated here actually, I was seated on the other side of the couch, my brother was seated there, my sister was seated there, and my mom just said, yo, let's just plan this trip, man, let's just plan this trip. And we just, on that same day, we paid for the flight tickets for the trip, and then I started looking for accommodation options, and then we started looking for a visa. It kind of helped that my sister had been in this country before, so she was really helpful. Thank you so much, Miss Nafush, for all the help in planning this trip. And yeah, 1 month later we are here. I got off from work, my leave days were approved, which is a yay! I'm still waiting to see if my mom is gonna get the same approval on her end, but we're trusting God that everything goes smoothly. And yeah, so it's Saturday. It's literally how many days before the trip? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday we leave. So it's literally like 4 days till I leave. I'm nervous. I don't know what to expect since it's an environment that I've never been to before, but all the same I'm very excited. I have been looking, everyone who knows me knows that it has been a part of my New Year resolutions to just leave Kenya and go visit someplace else. I always say that every year. I want to travel, I'm going to travel, and I'm very glad that it's finally happening, and I look forward to even more international trips. So yeah, I'm packing, and I wanted to let you in on the things that I'm packing. So I'm gonna have 2 bags, luggages, as most people call them, for the trip. First one will be this African one that's very neutral but very Instagrammable, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it's very big. This thing can literally fit your life, your scenes, everything that you've done for your entire life inside. It's quite big and it's quite African. So yeah, I'm excited about carrying this one on the trip. So this will be my carry-on bag. I do have another one. In fact, let me just show you. For times when I won't really like, I would just be sightseeing and I won't really like need to carry a lot of things around. So I'll be carrying this one with me. And then I have now the big luggage, the suitcase. So yeah, this is my suitcase. I feel like I'm working out. Okay, let's work out. That's enough workout for 5 days. So yeah, so this is my suitcase. The suitcase I bought from Toy Market. For those guys who sell suitcases outside the market, it was 2,500 bob. Sijui kama niligongwa. Please, kama niligongwa, please leave a comment down below and let me know the true gist. And then this is from Masai Market. I haggled my ass off and got it for 1,000 bob, which is a steal. Yes, sikugongwa, by the way, sikugongwa. So yeah, so this is me. I'm packed, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you a few of the things I've carried. We're going away for 5 nights, so I literally have outfits for like 5-6 days, plus the one I'm gonna be wearing as I travel. But I don't want to fill this suitcase because I want to make space for shopping, because y'all know that all these people who go on vacations shop. So pia mimi sitawacha nyuma, I will shop, so I will leave space for new things that I will hopefully purchase. And yeah, that's that. So let me show you what I've packed for the 5 days, and we'll catch up after. So this is my lotion that I normally use every single day, and it has really helped me clear off my dark spots that were on my legs, and it's almost running out. I guess that's why I'm even carrying it. I hope it's over by the time I'm even coming back, so I don't need to carry it because it's very huge and it's taking up a lot of space, because you see it's only kidogo that's left inside. So that's the moisturizer for my body that I'm going to be carrying, and then extra virgin olive oil that I use for my hair, and then this Sato Lotus perfume that I got from Miniso. Shout outs to Miniso. And then because we're going to a very hot location, there is a sunscreen SPF 15 so we don't get burnt. We also have some painkillers over here, just in case I get a headache or any pain of any sorts. And then we have my anti-aging serum from L'Oreal that is live. Oh my god, it's almost ending. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. It's like 3,000 bob. Okay, yeah, the anti-aging serum by L'Oreal that does magic for my face. And then this shaver. I think I'm gonna be masking a lot while on the trip, so hold on, let me just go and rush and get my mask. So this baby will also be going with me, the Garnier Skin Active Pure Intensive 3-in-1 Charcoal Anti-Wash Blackhead. It's a wash, a scrub and a mask all in one, so definitely saves me a lot of hassle. And yeah, for the outfits, I have a bunch of day outfits ranging from pants to a maxi skirt to dresses, some of which I'm still waiting to be laundered. There's a couple of intimates that I've packed. There's some loungewear that I would wear just around my hotel room, which is this jean shorts and a white vest. Hii tu ni ile outfit tu ya kuchiru tu kwa hotel room, ukiongojea ka room service hivi. So yeah, I guess if there's anything that I've forgotten, that's the beauty with packing for a longer duration of time, because it's Saturday and I've already started packing. So I have Sunday, Monday and daytime Tuesday to remember any other thing that I've forgotten and just put it inside my bags. So yeah guys, I'm very excited, as you probably can tell from this video. I hope to vlog the trip once I get there or on my way there. We'll see, and take you along for another new series called Stash Diaries. I don't want to give away where I'm going just yet, but you guys will see in the coming vlogs. Thank you so much if you watched up until this point, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Tumeshaanza kwenda international na bado hujasubscribe. So yeah, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll miss you so much, and bye.